I didn't say anything. I said it's weird that you're out there videotaping people's personal information.
Your mother never taught you to mind your own business.
I was minding my own business.
No. Oh, listen to daddy.
Hey, I didn't call them.
Oh, listen to daddy. I don't care.
This beanie says why.
Oh, yeah, it does. It says why.
Friends, how you guys doing today? I'm good. And yourself? Chilling, man. Enjoying the weather. You guys having a good weekend?
So you explain it to him or what?
Yeah, I explained it to him.
Cool. I mind you guys can have a good one.
Yeah, the one concern that he is addressing, and again, you know your rights, because you wouldn't be doing this if you didn't know your rights, is the females, when they have approached by people in a mask, it's a little scary for them.
Yeah, but I'm not approaching anyone in the park.
That's what they say.
You have a mask on
I
too,
haven't
man.
approached anyone. I'm inside the whole time. He can make his accusations like a little girl all he wants.
Is there anything that I can answer for you guys? Help you out with anything?
Good, man. Thank you. Thank you for explaining it to him.
No problem. And then if I could, if you guys think that you guys know your rights, you don't have to. Can I get a name for you, gentlemen?
Good citizen.
Good citizen, and you?
Good citizen number 2, man.
You guys have
We're all
a
good citizens,
Thank you.
man.
Anything else?
Name, badge number?
My name is Officer Fuentes. My serial number is what we go by, 41710. You guys take care of yourself,
Thank
okay?
you, sir. You be professional. Thank you.
How long you been on the force, man?
Ah.
I don't want to give my name.
I'll give it up.
Let's go over here so we can talk a little bit more.
So,
I'm not saying anything. I'm just curious.
you want to know what's up?
Why are you provoking? That's what I'm curious about.
What the hell?
Hey, dude, you're following me with a camera and a mask. And this guy's got gloves and a thing. But we heard inside.
You have a mask and a beanie on, man. You look like a
He's
gangster.
wearing gloves. I'm scared. He's got gloves.
Hey, it's for your YouTube channel. You guys have little fags.
Oh, damn.
Oh, damn, like that, huh?
Now, good thing.
Oh, that's a hate crime. That's a hate crime.
Damn.
That's a hate
What's up with that
crime.
hate speech right there, sir.
That's a hate crime.
What's up with that hate speech right there?
What's up with that hate
Better
speech?
tell him to calm his mouth.
I don't care, dude. You can fucking put your shit on YouTube all you want.
Oh, damn.
Dang. We don't need your
Thank you,
permission.
man.
That's
Thank
the
you, man.
problem
I
that you don't
appreciate it.
understand, man. That's what you don't understand is we don't need your permission.
Such a big baby.
Cry
I'm
baby.
not asking you for anything. I was curious and asked him why he was filming.
And I
That's
said,
all I asked.
and didn't I
And
answer
went
you?
about my business.
Did I not answer you?
But then you went, no, you didn't answer.
What did I tell you? You can't
Just
even
go
remember,
home,
right?
man.
You don't even remember.
Listen to your daddy and just go home.
Exactly. You don't
Yep.
remember. I answered your question. You still wanted more, you little baby.
Listen to daddy and just go home.
Wah, beanie. He's crying like a little girl. He's crying to the cops. He's a little girl. Come save him, rescue him. Trying to tell me to leave? What a moron.
He told you to leave?
Yeah.
Hey, but what was he going to do when he said come outside?
I don't know. Wanted me to see the fresh air, these flowers out here, I guess. I don't know. Thought he was going to be tough. Yeah, man.
That's crazy, huh?
Crazy guy right here.
This guy's getting educated by this very educated officer here. This guy knows the law, he knows our rights, and he's laying it down to this guy right here that wants to complain about a photographer at the post office. Doesn't even understand we have First Amendment rights to film in public. Looks like this officer's giving him a slap down right now. Not even a smack down, it's a slap down, like a bitch slap. Big time like a bitch slap.
Better now?
Oh,
Better
you need
now?
a hug, man?
All better?
You need a hug?
Kiss and hug?
Dang. You just give out hugs all day, huh, bro? What's up with that? Part of your job is giving hugs too, huh? Hey, has anybody ever came up and just hugged you, though? Like, thanks, man. Yeah, that's good. That's good.
You guys ready for a new season, man? Hopefully we can get back to the
Hell yeah.
freaking
Hopefully we
championship.
get right back on it, brother. Hell yeah. Thanks for being professional.
Hey, you guys
Appreciate
take care
you,
of
man.
yourself, right? Be safe, okay?
You're doing the right thing, bro. Thank you.
Stop crying, dude.
He's talking to me. I'm just
Let him
talking
go
to
back to work. Let him deal with some real crime.
He's educating them. Let him educate them.
Oh,
Man,
that's
look,
right.
look.
All right, my bad.
Follow
my
him.
bad.
Follow him.
Yeah,
Wah.
learn some more.
Wah.
Learn some more.
Look at his beanie. Says "wah" on the back of it.
He wore the right beanie today.
Wah.
Yeah, man. Let me see. Let me get the back of the beanie. I didn't even notice that, guys.
I understand.
Oh, yeah, look, there it is. Don't worry, we're gonna get each. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vehicles. One of them's gotta be yours.
I'm on the street.
Not good.
But you'll follow me after my guy.
I didn't say anything. You're making our own assumptions.
We're here at the post office, man. Why don't you
Why are
leave?
at the post office?
Why don't you go home, man? Go feel comfortable.
Find babies like you, man.
Hey, go tuck yourself under your baby blanket, man, and put that pacifier in your mouth when you get home so you can think about it.
Man.
For real, dude.
Filming anything exciting?
Oh yeah, man.
All kinds of stuff.
I could start something if you
Oh,
want.
yeah.
Excitement.
Let's see the show. Left, right, left, right. Oh man, come on.
I'm too old, man. I'm too old.
It's all good, man.
Have a good day, man.
Be safe out there. See you guys.
All right, guys. You guys be safe. Yeah.
Go ahead, take the post.
That's cool, huh? You guys are awesome, man. You guys be safe out there.
Be safe out there.
Hell yeah. We love LAPD. You guys are awesome, man.
There it is.
Hell yeah. Educated, huh?
Educated everyone here.
Hell yeah.
As soon as I walked in, this dude started and shit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like
Yeah, he was there the whole time?
I guess he said he saw me. He's like, I already know where you parked. I saw you come out of your car. I was like, okay, I don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
I'm way down there and shit.
Oh, he must have followed you here
Yes, I
then.
don't know. Yeah, so like walking, like I'm out here, no one says nothing. It looks like this like Asian lady's gonna back up, and it looks like she's gonna come back and hit me up. Takes off, so I walk inside. As soon as I walk inside, the two workers are like, "Oh yeah, they're here. Okay, they warned us about these guys." And then one guy's like, "Oh, so you know they're filming, right?" She's like, "Yeah, they told us that they're gonna be coming." And I was like, "Yeah." I was like, "Hell yeah, education." So then I go sit over like right here where this old lady is, and I'm just chilling. Then this guy, I guess, was in the corner, and he comes out and he starts like. Glancing, and then he like gets away. So then I'm like, kind of pan it a little bit. And he's like, "What are you filming for?" And this and that, you know. Blah, blah, blah. I tell him, "Oh, I'm just for my own personal reasons." That's weird. And I was like, "I think it's weird that you're not minding your own business, you know." Blah, blah, blah. And then the other guy notices this guy's like talking to me. So he goes, "Yeah, what are you doing here?" And the guy in the green is like, "What are you doing here? Get out of here! What are you doing? You can't be filming in here." So I was like, "You're an idiot." I was like, "Look at these two postal workers. They don't even care I'm fucking filming. They haven't even said anything. Yet you guys are fucking crying. You guys don't even work."